Lesson 85, number 30. It says find the area of the segment bounded by an arc of measure 50 and the chord joining the endpoints of the arc in a circle whose radius is 10 centimeters. Okay, so I know segment means, well, a sector is like a slice of a pie. A segment is, well, I'll show you. I already have it kind of drawn a little bit. So here's a circle with radius 10, right? And this is the arc of 50. But if the arc is 50, then the central angle is also 50. And so this whole slice, I call it a slice of the pie. The whole slice of the pie is called a sector. They're asking for this little blue shaded part, which is called a segment. So I could get the area of the shaded part by saying the area of the whole slice of the pie minus the area of this triangle. And that's going to equal this shape right here, if that makes any sense. Okay, so how do I find the area of the sector? Well, I think that's pretty easy. I think I'll find the area of the circle and multiply it by 50 over 360. So I want 50 3/60ths of the area of the circle, and that'll give me just the area of this sector of the circle. I can actually reduce that, can't I? So area of a circle is pi r squared. Pi times r squared, well, that would be 100, right? 10 squared is 100. Okay, can I do anything with that? Well, that gives me 500 pi over 36. I want to reduce it, I think. Maybe 250. Well, that would give me 250 over 18. Hey. I always get in trouble when I start doing stuff like this. That'll give me, is that going to be 175? I don't know, I'm going to reduce it on my calculator. Because I always get myself into trouble. 500 over 36. It turns out to be, like, if I keep reducing it down, it's going to be 125 over 9. Okay, so I got this all fixed up. So this is actually the area of the sector. Okay, now I'm supposed to subtract, I'll use I don't know if you can tell the difference of the colors. I'm going to subtract the area of a triangle. I know areas of triangles are 1/2 times base times height. Okay, so I'll use this as my base, the 10. And the height, you can see, oh, here's my base of 10. My height, I don't know what it is, but I think I can use a SOHCAHTOA on it. So, usually just use, I'll use H for height. There we go. Alright, so, I have 50, and I'm going to use this 10. I don't want to use that because I don't know how it's not like that's 5 and that's 5. So I'll just use this one because I know that's going to work. So opposite and hypotenuse, so that's sine. So I'm going to go sine of 50 equals opposite over hypotenuse. So that'll be 10 sine of 50, like in my calculator. So here's 10 sine of 50. Okay, so that's 7.66. Okay, so that's going to end up being 5 times 7.6. I'm just going to times it by 5 on my calculator. That gives me 38.3. So the sector is 125 pi over 9. I guess I could have gotten a decimal for it. And the triangle's 38.3, and then I can just do my subtraction. 125 minus 38.3. I got a small number, and at first I was sad about that, but then I looked at how small on the picture it is. I got that. I did a little rounding, like I didn't use my pi key. So your answer book has, I want to check it. Your answer book rounded it to 5.33. Okay, I kept my numbers in my calculator, but I failed to use my pi key because I keep forgetting where it is. And then were these in these were in centimeters. Okay, so I think we've done everything they've asked us to. They said, find the area of the segment. Yeah, that's all. So that's it.